Yeah. Fine, world-class broadcast journalism at you here. So, we're making a video and we're gonna help you down at home if you're struggling and you've got hiccups. Now, this is the way to get rid of hiccups. Now, you take a glass of water and you drink it upside down. The hiccups will go away. So, what you do is you put your lip like that. So you're like this. You gotta bend upside down and drink the water. You bend your knees, you get down a bit, and you gotta crouch over. So once again, here we go. I'm not gonna spill anything either. Keep your hat on tight, pull your glasses back, and here we go. Not too bad. Got a little bit of it done. There you go. There didn't spill anything there. So hopefully your hiccups go away, and hopefully my video helped you. So once again, this is Ryan Hardcore at the Suburban Art Gallery with fine world-class journalism.